Hello friends, today I am going to tell you about our immune system. Yes, the immune system is our very own superhero that protects our body from the attack of foreign invaders. It is a complex network of cells, tissues and organs that protects us from a constant barrage of threats which are coming from pathogens such as bacteria, viruses, fungi and parasites. These microorganisms are everywhere and have the potential to cause infectious diseases. Our immune system is on constant alert, ready to defend us from these invaders. The immune system doesn't just protect us from outside invaders, it also protects the body from internal threats such as the cancerous cells. The immune system can be broadly divided into two main components, the innate immune system and the adaptive immune system. Innate immunity or natural immunity is the body's first line of defense, whereas adaptive immunity is the one an organism develops over a lifetime. It can come from vaccination or exposure to a particular infection or disease. Let's take a closer look at the amazing world of the immune system and see how it keeps us healthy. Innate immunity or natural immunity is our superhero's first reaction or response to an invading enemy. When our body is exposed to a disease-causing microorganism, our innate immune system starts its action of defense. It triggers a first yet non-specific inflammatory response immediately or within hours of a pathogen's invasion or appearance into the body. Think of it as the body's security guard, always on patrol and ready to react to any suspicious activity. It encompasses physical barriers of our body, such as the skin, chemicals in the blood, and immune cells that identify foreign microorganisms as non-self and trigger a response to destroy these disease-causing agents. This barrier prevents pathogens from entering our bodies. Our skin acts like a wall, while our mucous membrane traps pathogens in sticky mucus. This mucus, found in our nose, throat and lungs, is then swept away by tiny hairs called cilia. If pathogens manage to breach these physical barriers, the innate immune system launches a rapid attack. Special white blood cells called phagocytes engulf and destroy invaders. Inflammation is another key part of the innate immune response, bringing more blood and immune cells to the area to fight infection. Now, what will happen if the innate immune system fails to control infection? It is when the adaptive immune system is activated. It is our body's specialized defense force. It takes a little longer to kick in than the innate immune system, but it is much more precise. This branch of the immune system learns to recognize specific pathogens and mounts a targeted attack. Think of it as our body's elite special forces trained to identify and eliminate specific threats. The adaptive immune system has an incredible memory. Once it encounters a specific pathogen, it remembers it for future encounters. This immunological memory is what makes vaccines so effective. Vaccines expose our bodies to weakened or inactive pathogens, prompting the adaptive immune system to create a memory of the threat. This way, if we encounter the real pathogen in the future, our immune system is primed and ready to fight it off quickly and effectively. Now, you might be wondering what the adaptive immune system is made up of. B cells and T cells are the key players in the adaptive immunity. B cells originate and mature in the bone marrow and act as the key players in antibody-mediated immunity. T cells, which originate in the bone marrow and mature in the thymus, have several important functions. This include stimulating the B cells to generate antibodies to fight infection, directly killing infected host cells, and producing cytokines in response to an immune challenge. There are different types of T cells in our immune system, such as the helper T cells, which coordinate the immune response by activating other immune cells, including B cells and cytotoxic T cells. Cytotoxic T cells, which directly kill infected or cancerous cells by recognizing antigens presented by MHC class 1 molecules. Regulatory T cells, which help maintain immunity system balance by suppressing excessive immune response and preventing autoimmunity. And memory T cells, which persist after an infection or vaccination, enabling a quicker response to subsequent encounters with the same pathogen. The immune system is also comprised of antigens and antibodies. Antigens are molecules or parts of molecules on pathogens that are recognized by the immune system as foreign, whereas antibodies are Y-shaped proteins produced by B cells that specifically bind to antigens, leading to their neutralization or destruction. Now you must be wondering how our immune system works against these foreign invaders. Let me tell you. At first, the immune system identifies pathogens or abnormal cells through receptors on immune cells that detect specific antigens. Upon recognition, the immune system activates the appropriate cells and molecules. This includes the activation of T and B cells in the adaptive immune system and the immediate response of the phagocytes and other innate immune components. There are two types of response as we have discussed earlier. The innate immune response involves immediate non-specific mechanisms such as inflammation and the activation of phagocytes. Adaptive response, on the other hand, involves the specific targeting of pathogens by antibodies and T cells and the formation of memory cells for long-term protection. Finally, after the pathogen is eliminated, the immune system returns to a state of balance. Memory cells remain in the body to respond more efficiently to future infection with the same pathogens. So, you can see how crucial our immune system is for preventing and fighting infection and diseases including cancer. It is like a surveillance camera which continuously monitors the body for signs of disease or infection. It plays a vital role in repairing tissues and restoring health after infection or injury. Overall, the immune system is a sophisticated network designed to protect the body from a wide range of threats while maintaining overall health and homeostasis. So next time when you are sick, think about the superhero who helps you keep healthy. Eat a healthy diet with lots of fresh fruit and vegetables, exercise regularly, and stay physically active to boost your immunity and live a healthy life.